operations in Lesotho, and it will also be a protector and the main reporter on human rights abuses in the kingdom and a watchdog of human rights in Lesotho. It will work with the non-state actors to ensure that all the minorities and everybody else, all the rights are protected equally.
Furthermore, the Executive Director of the People's Metrics Association of Lesotho, Mr. Dambose Mutupeng, indicated that more public education and open dialogue are needed to reduce stigma and help Lesotho better understand the rights of sexual and gender minorities, among others.
For us, it's about supporting the government to be